12:24, you only have a few more hours until the cold front rolls in. Already, as we showed you earlier, one weak front has moved through and kind of pushed the winds around to the northwest, but the stronger winds and colder temperatures on the way later today. We're talking probably starting to fall off around 4 or 5 p.m. across the valley when the front comes in. Windy and colder weather this evening, tonight, and even tomorrow looks very chilly. I mean, you want to dress like it's a cold winter day for Tuesday and Wednesday because it may be hard to even get out of the 40s tomorrow and not much better on Wednesday. We could have temperatures maybe near freezing Wednesday morning. We'll have to wait and see. It kind of depends also on the cloud cover. There may still be some clouds around on Wednesday morning to keep it above freezing, but if it does get clear enough, we could easily see temperatures down in the low 30s in parts of the valley. Cold front, there it is. Remember, one weak front's kind of moved through and the winds are already switched around, but you see temperatures are still in the 60s, but the colder air is on the other side of the second front where it is much colder in central and northern Texas, only 41 in Dallas right now. 62 in Edinburgh, 59 in Rio Grande City, and 63 in Brownsville. But you look at future track temperatures, and here we are. This is what the model says. By 8 p.m., temperatures starting to fall into the upper 50s, and then falling the rest of the night. It shows 10 p.m. temperatures in the low 50s, and then down in the low 40s by tomorrow morning. So when you wake up, tomorrow it's going to be windy and cold. Wind chill temperatures will be in the low 30s in many areas. It will be a very cold start to the day. Should be mostly dry tomorrow. There might still be a few sprinkles around, but most of the rain chances are now through this evening and early tonight. You see, we did have some heavier showers in spots. Just moved through mainly northern Hidalgo County early this morning. Now it's just mainly clouds and some light rain showers, but some of the more steadier areas of light rain over northern Cameron County and southern Willisey County around Santa Monica and near Combs. We look at what else is going on. The wind, remember, winds will get gusty behind the front. Wind advisory in this little slice right here along the coast beginning this afternoon, 5 p.m. through tomorrow evening at 6 p.m. Winds could easily gust around 40 miles per hour, maybe even a little more when the front passes right at the coast. So again, future track winds, this is what we look at, the color codings here on this map. When we get up to the yellows and the oranges, that shows the stronger winds. And you see how we're starting to pick the winds up a bit this afternoon, but especially along the coast, the yellows going in the reds, which are really up there over 30 miles per hour by this evening and tonight. And again, most areas will be pretty breezy or windy tonight at 10 p.m. and then through the morning hours. You see that cold northwesterly wind around, and then the winds kind of start to decrease inland some later tomorrow afternoon, but the coastal areas will remain fairly gusty all the way through tomorrow afternoon until they start to decrease more on Wednesday. Satellite radar, again, the blow up of a couple showers around the area, but that's been about it. Clouds and some light rain showers will still be possible really any point through the rest of today. Future track shows, again, scattered showers around. Here comes the cold front arriving by around 4 or 5 p.m. and then once it moves through, the gustier winds pick up. Temperatures get chilly tonight and tomorrow morning. You notice how there could be still some showers overnight, especially along the coast. But then most every place looks dry tomorrow. By afternoon, we're just under some clouds, and the clouds could be thickest in the lower valley, which may really hold temperatures down in Cameron County tomorrow. The winds start to decrease more Tuesday afternoon nearly everywhere except for the coast, and then Wednesday looks like a calmer day. But again, future track does show clouds around Wednesday morning at 7 a.m. If those clouds start to break up before then, you could have some colder temperatures. But there is a freeze watch already in effect for mainly areas north of the valley, but about the northern half of Hidalgo County is still under this freeze watch. This is early Wednesday morning, not tonight, not during the day tomorrow, but early Wednesday morning, 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. It could reach the 30s, low 30s maybe in some areas, and then mid to upper 30s are possible everywhere else. But again, we'll have to wait and see if the clouds stay intact. If the clouds are thick, we may not get much below 38 or 40, but if they do clear out more, you could see temperatures down around the freezing mark in some areas. So again, Wednesday morning, it could be near some record cold. These are the current records that are in the books. Brownsville probably won't get that cold, but 31, that was set a long time ago, about 100 years ago. Harlingen, Weslaco, and McAllen all in the mid-30s for lows at 37, 38, and 38. So we could be close to those numbers on Wednesday morning. Means it doesn't get much colder than this time of year in the valley, so you want to be ready for it. Today, we could still squeak out a few more degrees into the mid to upper 60s, about 69 degrees for a high, but showers increasing as the afternoon goes on in coverage, and then still some showers around through part of tonight, especially in the lower valley, getting windy and colder. Lows near 43 by morning, but we'll show you the wind chill chart later with a wind 20 or 25 miles per hour and temperatures in the low 40s. That makes it feel closer to about the freezing mark, so it's going to feel closer to maybe 30 or 32 degrees when you wake up tomorrow morning. It's going to be cold. Oh, man. I think I'll call in sick tomorrow. No, I'll come in. Got to tell you how cold it is. But Tuesday, highs only close to 51 degrees. Some places may not get out of the upper 40s. Wednesday, the sun should break through gradually with highs in the 50s, and then still another cold morning Thursday. Could be close to freezing in some areas, and then sunshine back and in the 60s Thursday with very light winds. It looks like gorgeous weather Thursday and Friday if you like light winds and sunshine. And then clouds and showers could return late in the weekend. We'll track this cold blast in more detail in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.